Hi girls, in today's class we are going to see this topic internet banking. So basically internet banking is yet another innovation in the banking services. So there are several advantages this internet banking offers to its customers as well as to the banking system, along with certain disadvantages as well. So before we go in details with that, let's look into the meaning of internet banking. So internet banking is a system, or rather you call it as a method, in which a terminal, rather a computer, is connected by a network service provider and allows a computer system to provide services to its customers on behalf of a bank. So internet banking allows you to access banking services on the web. So you can initiate domestic or international fund transfers. If you want to, you can pay bills. If you want to, you can invest in mutual funds. And a lot of other activities can be performed over internet banking. So you can also give instructions to the bank, like making orders for checkbooks, okay, checking on your account balance, checking on your interests, so whether it's credited or not. So all this you can just sit back at home. With the click of a button, you would be able to access all the information. So this internet banking basically offers a lot of advantages to its users. Internet banking basically refers to a system that which allows individuals to perform banking activities from wherever they are. Okay, supposing you are at home and you want some kind of banking services to be rendered to you, like I said, with just a click of a button you could just use internet and a computer and avail the banking services. So, internet banking allows customers to conduct financial transactions on a secure website operated by the bank. Okay. Now, this internet banking is also called as virtual banking or net banking, online banking, and so on. Now, let's look into the advantages of internet banking. So, the first advantage says transfer of funds. Okay, so you are allowed to transfer funds easily through internet banking. That is, with internet banking, you can transfer money from one person to another, from one account to another. So you can initiate inter and interbank fund transfers. That is, within the bank itself, you can transfer the fund, or you can also transfer fund from one bank to another bank. So this can be done domestically as well as internationally. So you can send the funds, okay, to another person within an hour, okay, within just 1 hour, using different types of money transfer channels, okay, so which we are going to see in the future topics. So like NEFT, RTGS, okay, IMPS. So these are all various ways and means through which you are allowed to transfer funds. So that is available on or through internet banking. So basically transferring of funds has become more easy and quick when compared to that is in on online banking or internet banking when compared to physical transfer of funds. All right. The second benefit that we are going to see or advantage that we are going to see is booking deposits. Yes, you can even book deposits. That is yet another benefit that which is offered to you by internet banking. That is, you can conveniently open fixed deposit or recurring deposit accounts online itself. Okay, so you can go to the website of the bank and choose on opening account opening, and there will be a form. Okay, so that is online form which you can fill it up and you can choose whatever deposit type that you are preferring. Okay, and you can invest money in that, you can invest your amount in that. So booking deposits also is quite easy. So internet banking is basically enabled an individual, to sit back and access all the kinds of banking services rather than all the time knocking at the doors of the bank, right? Then the next advantage is paying bills and recharging. Yes. So through internet banking, you can also pay bills. Okay. Like electricity bills, telephone bills, gas bills. You can even pay your rents. Okay. So you can easily make payments to other people. Okay. Over this committed relationships where you are regularly making payments. You can pay it easily. So, from the comfort of your home, you will be enabled to automatically, like debit your account and credit another person's account. So, you can effortlessly, okay, do all this, and even you can recharge your phones, you can recharge your internet connectivity, you can even recharge your televisions. Okay, so you have your various DTH connections and all that, right? So all that also can be recharged easily through internet banking. Yes. Next advantage is tracking accounts and checking balances. Yes, you can easily track your account and keep checking on your balances anytime from anywhere. You can do that. So whether you are in India or you are up in abroad in any other country, so you can still get a mini statement. I was talking the other day about mini statement, isn't it? So you can still get a mini statement, or you can even download your account statements for a particular period. Like for example, for 6 months you can download, for 1 year you can download, and you can view the statement as to what is happening in your account, like what is the credit, what is the debit, right? So how the money is being transacted, so everything in detail you will be able to. Otherwise, a physical banking system, you will have to go to the bank and you have to update your passbook, so which is not a requirement here. You can just view your account statement and check on what is your balance and what are your debits, what are your credits. Okay, so the statements can be clearly and easily acquired. Right. Next one is placing orders for banking products. So you can also place orders for the bank's products or services. Wherein your internet banking allows you to place orders for such kind of thing. What kind of products are you placing? Like for example, if you are wanting a checkbook, okay. So if you are looking for a ATM card, right? So anything, you can just place an order. You want to order a passbook, so you can easily order it through internet banking. Okay, you can apply for your credit cards, you can apply for your debit cards, you can apply for your checkbooks, anything. So it's made very easy and simple. So apart from that, there are also certain add-on services that's provided for you through internet banking. So that is yet another advantage, which includes, like, if you want to invest in mutual funds, you can invest through internet banking. If you want to buy some insurance policies, you can buy through internet banking. If you want to apply for loans, that is also possible through internet banking. When you are able to open an account, why not you apply for a loan on internet, right, in on internet banking? So that is also possible. It also allows you to set some kind of auto payments, okay, for recurring expenses, like every month you have to pay rent, and for that you can just opt for these kind of auto payments, where you just give it a time limit for the payments to be regularly made, and it will be automatically done. Yes, so these are the advantages of internet banking. Now, talking about the disadvantages of internet banking. So, first one is no cashless deposit option. So, this is one of the disadvantages. So, there is no provision for cash deposits here. You have to visit the nearest branch, and only you should deposit your money through either ATM machine or through the bank. So no cashless deposit option here. Okay, you have to go and do it. You cannot deposit money through your internet banking, right? Next one, internet requirement is another disadvantage. Definitely, you cannot avail any internet services or internet banking services without internet. So you need internet. Your access to internet banking services can be hindered if you do not have a stable internet connection. So if you have some kind of problems in your networks, in your connectivity, then you will not be able to avail the service. It can be affected even if, for example, if the bank server is down. So even then it will be affected. Do you understand? So that is yet another disadvantage. Then lastly, internet frauds. Yes. So there are a lot of scope for frauds and cheats over internet banking. So that is, you can easily become a victim of internet fraud without your knowledge, right? So if you don't comply with some kind of security measures that which is prescribed by the bank, then definitely you are going to be into some troubles. All right. So like for example, they've given you some passwords, they send you some OTPs, and if you're careless about those passwords and OTPs and you are allowing others to access the same, then obviously there'll be some kind of cheats and frauds that you will have to like bear up with because of your negligence. Okay, but the banking system always makes sure that they are trying to make secure internet services. Do you understand, girls? So these are all disadvantages. So now if you actually take an account of advantages and disadvantages, we can find that advantages are more than disadvantages. So definitely internet banking is very very useful and it's very important in these days. It clearly makes it makes it very clear that benefits are more than the disadvantages, isn't it? So only thing is that we have to follow the necessary security guidelines, okay, so that we can ensure that your account is always safe, and it will also help you to enjoy uninterrupted services of the bank. So that's about internet banking, girls. If you all have any doubts, please get back to me. Thank you.